Hello everyone. So I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I've been really busy with school. I just started a few weeks ago and it's just been busy. I've just been really busy with school. I have assignments due almost every single day. My online class is very demanding. My English class is very demanding. I just have a lot of classes that require a lot of work this semester. So it's nothing like my last semester, so I haven't really had time to film, but hopefully I'll figure out a schedule that works best for me for when I can film and when I do my schoolwork and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm glad to be back, and today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. It's a very just simple Valentine's Day date night kind of look. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so today for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and a sad thing happened over the past week is my eyeshadow right here, this black one, which is so gorgeous. It's hard to find a really good black eyeshadow, and this one was perfect, and it broke, and it got everywhere. I do not know how to get it out of my carpet. It's there now, like it's there. Like, I do not know how to get it out of my carpet. So if y'all know how to get like black eyeshadow out of carpet, let me know, because I've tried a lot of things. So I'm first going to be starting out with this shade right here, and I'm just gonna lay this down as my transition shade. So yeah, my life at the moment has been very crazy with school and everything. I've just been extremely busy. So yeah, even right after this video, I'm gonna be going straight back into doing work. But honestly, after taking a break from filming for a while, and just focusing on school, I've actually realized how much I miss doing this, like doing makeup and just like, I don't know, coming on here talking to y'all. I don't know, it makes me feel better about life, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it, but I don't know, I guess I just missed it. I miss sitting down and editing videos and, I don't know, doing makeup. Like, it's just fun. And I haven't had time to sit down and do a video in about 2 weeks now. I know I put up a video like, as I'm filming this, like a week ago, but that one I recorded ahead of time because I knew I would have school. So yeah, I haven't sat down and filmed in like 2 weeks, which is kind of crazy to me. Especially because I wanted to be more like on here. Like, that was one of my goals for this year, is to start doing more videos and start being more what's it called? Oh yeah, start being more consistent. I wanted to start being more consistent this year and everything with my videos and just taking it more seriously, because now I guess I'm starting to realize that this could actually be a career opportunity for me. And I don't know, I want to grow and see where this takes me, and you know, like, I don't know, I've just been excited about that lately. So I definitely want to focus on school, but I need to learn how to balance the two. And if that means that I have to do more work, then I'll do it, you know? Because I will admit there is enough time in the day for me to film and do my schoolwork at the same time. It's just, sometimes I just want to lay in bed, listen to music, or watch Netflix, or just, you know, spend time with my husband. You know, there's just other things that I do rather than like doing schoolwork or filming, and I've kind of realized like those are just excuses for me. And if I really want to do these things and get them done, then I need to do it ahead of time, and then I can sit down and relax. Alright, now I'm going to dip into this shade right here, and I'm just blending this on the outer corner of my eye, making a little triangular shape right here. So yeah, I guess I've just been realizing that I want to start taking this whole YouTube thing more seriously. I don't know, like, I've just really been getting into it. And I actually miss doing it whenever I'm not doing it, so I feel like that's a sign that I should be doing it if it makes me happy, you know? And I don't know, it just feels right. Like, my family supports me, they're all very proud of me, and you know, like, that just kind of encourages me. Filming videos and uploading them for everyone to see, it makes me happy, like interacting with people. And I don't know, whenever some people just tell me the nicest things, like, you know, and it makes me feel happy, and I love that. And of course there's people who say negative things, but I don't know, I don't really, it's not that I don't pay attention to them, because I do, but I can understand where they're coming from whenever they do say negative things. And I'm okay with it. I'm gonna switch to a clean brush and kind of blend this out a little bit. Alright, now I'm gonna dip into this shade right here. And I'm just gonna place this right here. And I'm just deepening up this outer corner right here, making it stand out a little bit more. I'm really upset that that black shade broke. I've never had like an eyeshadow break, being how new this palette is. I mean, I've had eyeshadows break that are like old and stuff, you know, and they just, you know, over time. But I've never had something this new break on me before. And it was just surprising because like I just opened it and it was broken, so I don't know. But I love the brown shades in this palette, like they're just so perfect. Like look how beautifully they all just mesh together. They just look so beautiful. Now I'm gonna take a little pencil brush, and I'm still using that same brown shade, and I'm just gonna be a little bit more exact with it. And I'm just gonna start dragging that color out here, making a little cat eye. And then I'm gonna switch back to the blending brush and blend that out a little bit. Do y'all ever get stressed out just thinking about all the work you have to do? Like right now, I'm just thinking about all the homework I have to do and the fact that it's not done yet. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit more with a clean brush. Kind of smooth kind of smooth over these edges a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to take this shade from the Wet n Wild contouring palette. It's not an eyeshadow, but that palette didn't have a shade that looks like this, so I'm just going to be using this contouring palette as an eyeshadow, so yeah. It's the only thing I have next to me, so I'm just going to use this. And I'm just going to place this like right here. Very lightly. Now I don't want to mess up this shade any more than I have to, but I'm going to take the black right here and I'm just gently tapping into this. But yeah, I'm going to take that black shade and I'm just going to smoke it out right here. Very carefully. I don't want to put this too high. I want to keep it right on my lash line. I just want to keep this on the outer corner of my eye. I'm not bringing it inwards. I'm just taking it right here, blending it, and then kind of working upwards with it right here. But I do not want this shade to go up too high. But yeah, whenever you're using dark shades like this, you want to just be very careful. Take your time. You don't want to work too quickly with them, because if you bring this up too high, it can look very messy, unless you want it like that. Like I love a grunge look, you know? But I mean, if you want something more precise, it's better to start out lower and then work your way up. It just depends how intense you want it, and you know, it's all just personal preference. Alright, now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. And I'm just taking a little angled brush like this to get into the little crevices of my eye. Kind of messed up like right here, but I mean that's kind of what happens whenever you have hooded eyes. It's extremely hard to do eyeliner, especially right in this inner corner whenever you have hooded eyes. So I mean, it's not that noticeable, so it's okay. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using this one from Tarte. I've really been liking this one. I feel like it works really good for my lashes, and yeah. Alright, lashes are on, and I'm going to go back over my lash band right here with some eyeliner, the one I was using earlier. I'm just going to go over my lash band to kind of cover it up because it has some leftover makeup on it and I don't want that to be seen. Alright, so now I'm going to go finish off the rest of my face and I'll be right back. And we're back. So I didn't really film my face because I figured it'd just take too long. But basically I just put on a BB cream. I wanted this to be very light coverage. I don't like full coverage things, and I don't know, I just put on a BB cream, put a face powder on top, and then put some bronzer and blush, and yeah. I didn't do too much, kept it very simple, kept it very basic. So yeah, that's basically what I did with my face. But now moving back to the eyes, we're going to start working on the lower lash line. And I'm going to take this shade right here. Then I'm going to take this dark brown shade right here. I feel like I took that shade a little bit too low, so I'm just going to clean up underneath my eye a little bit. And then for the lips, I'm going to be using the Tarte Tartist Lip Paint, and I believe this is in the shade XOXO. Let me add a little bit of highlighter. Alright, so this is the completed look. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you want to. I'm not trying to tell you how to live your life, but it'd be cool if you stuck around. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye!